I was expecting to see many motorcycles on the way, but nobody. We are almost on the highway and I see no other motorcycle until now, and the time is 25 minutes before meeting hour. Wow, one motorcycle. No, they're not coming with us. Weather is perfect today. Let's make a nice adventure. Seems like somebody's there already. Let's go make new friends. Let's go make new friends. We're gonna make new friends. We're gonna make new friends. Hello. Seems like we are going, and if we are going, we are going or not. Who's the leader? What is going on? Alright, so we are now almost at the coffee point, the first stop. I'm between the last riders because I don't like to risk it. Hello. I hope it's this way. Lots of motorcycles here. Apa tuh? Oh, how about this? We have here our place. There are so many. Păi da, cu spatele o e val. Alright, so we are there at Benelli Motorcycle event in Cyprus. Look how many people. Look how many motorcycles. Everybody's sitting there drinking a coffee, and after I don't know where we're gonna go. But let's go.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads
And now we are going, oops, to our next location. We're gonna have a small ride to the mountains, And after, another coffee stop in a beautiful location, they say. Let's see how it's gonna be. Look, so many people, so many motorcycles. Nice place, huh? Let's go, let's have fun. I hope guys are driving slowly because I'm not gonna risk it. Hello. So we are the last, there's nobody behind, everybody is in front of the camera. And we go, yeah!
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
So I like motorcycle events, but I don't like groups that are going too fast. I'm not putting my life in danger for anything. I don't know, I'm sorry, but I'm a slow rider. I like to enjoy my ride and to be safe. I prefer to be safe than fast. I don't know, maybe I'm lost, maybe I'm not gonna find them again. And from here, I'm pretty sure, I don't know where I have to go. This moment, it's lost for sure. Cool. Alright, so we had our second coffee break. I really had a coffee, and now I'm too fat. Let's see where we're gonna go. I hope I'm not gonna get lost again. Woo. Which way? Down? I don't know if we're gonna go up, if we're gonna go down. Pospamy to rapano? Ako do. Alright, so we are in this beautiful location. We finished the ride today and we stopped to eat. So we had a Cypriot lunch stop. What is this Cypriot lunch stop? It's you stop for 5 hours in the afternoon, yes, and you eat until you cannot get up from the table. You understand what is that? If you manage to get up from the table, it means it's not a Cypriot stop at Benelli event with Benelli friends here. Nice day. See you in the next one. Bye.